Welcome to the Dave Show. My name is Dave, and today I'm here to talk about this tattoo kit. Now, this is a starter type kit for somebody that's a beginner that's learning how to do tattoos. And this is by TATELF. And they did send me this product for a review, but they wanted me to show you what all comes with it. Now, disclaimer, I am not a tattoo artist. I do consider myself an artist. I've done a lot of painting and drawings and things before, but I've never done tattoo type work before, and I do not have any tattoos on my body. Quick little disclaimer, but they want me to, again, to show you what all that is included. If you are a tattoo artist or if you are looking into it, you probably understand and know how to use all these different things. But it's actually a really good kit. I'm actually surprised of all the stuff that you get, and it looks like it's a good value for your money. So let's dig in and see what we get in this tattoo kit. Okay, here's everything you're going to get in the kit. I'm showing you a big overlay of it, and I'll show you some details as well. First thing is you are going to get a user manual, which is also very important. But the user manual is just how to use the pen and the little box, the outlet box, pretty much on that. But what comes with the package? Let's go through the accessories, then I'll go over the tool part itself. You are going to get some transfer paper stuff. So this is what you use to print out on like a thermal printer. You can print out stencils for designs for your tattoos on there. Now there's no thermal printer on this. They do make one that is specialized for tattoos as well. But you're going to get some stencil paper. You're going to get this little bit here. This, I think it said it was some kind of a grip tape of some kind. Not exactly sure what you're going to do and use with that. Here are some latex gloves. You're going to get a couple sets of latex gloves to get you started. You should also probably get more. Now, I am not wearing gloves here, but I am also not opening up these packages. So if somebody does want to use this, they don't have to worry about sanitization. You're going to get the ink cups. You're going to get a whole bunch of ink cups here for you, and you're going to get the ink. Let's talk about the ink. So there's 20 colored inks here. Now it says for practice only. I don't know if there's a difference between practice ink and real on the body usage ink. I am not too sure about that part of it, but you do get a whole bunch of colors of ink here and a lot of black, because I know you use black more than you do colors. But so you're going to get a larger bottle of black. This is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of black ink, and the ink is made in the USA, where some of this other stuff is actually made in China. But you do get some ink here. Again, it says for practice only. Use your experience and judgment on that. You're going to get some tape. From what I understand, this is a grip tape type of thing too that you can use, or cord tape it says. I'm not exactly sure what you'd use that for, but they do give you 2 rolls of that. They are going to give you some of these paper towels. This is like a table placement. It's a sanitized paper that you can lay all your tools out on. You are going to get some practice skin. Now this here has some drawings pre-done on it. So from, I guess my understanding is you can go through and trace and color in the design here as a practice, but they do also give you a plain piece of practice skin. This is a silicone kind of stuff where you can do your own drawings and your own practice with your coloring and so forth there. So you get a little bit of both of those kind of things. And you can get 4 boxes of needle cartridges. I will open one up here and show you what those look like. You get 12 cartridges. They are completely sealed. So this is, sanitary and all that kind of stuff. So you're going to get 12 total. And this particular one, it says here, it's the, you get 12. It's the 03RL. Now, looking at the chart, the 03RL. So I don't know if you could see the chart. This is the needle chart. So you're actually going to get the 1RL and the 3RL. So those are for rounded lines. That's the 1RL, 3RL. The other one is a 5RM. So that's this over here. That's the curved magnum. So this is curved. You get the 5RM. And the other one is a 5RS, which is here, which is called a round shader. So you're going to get 12 of those needles as well. And these are the other ones that they make that you can order. Okay, looking at the tattoo pen itself, so the cartridge goes into this side, and then you have a dial that is supposed to be able to make it so the needle can go up and down depending on how the depth of the needle is that you want. And you get a nice little carry case for it. You can put that into there. And then you're going to get a foot pedal, and that goes into this little junction box. So you've got the little control box over here. You've got a cable. This is the cable that goes from your pen, and then you got your cable for your foot, and you have your power cable, which plugs in onto the back, and there's a on-off button there. But your foot pedal goes into there, and then there's two different there's a liner and a shader. So depending on the needle that you're using, you put the liner pen, the needle in, and you click it into that. If you're doing shading, you click it into that. And then there's a button that changes it from L to S, so from liner to shader. And then there's a little dial in button, because this gives you an indication on the top of the voltage that comes out of it. Now, again, I'm not too sure on how that relates to the power output in the needle, movements and things like that, but that is adjustable in there. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in so you can see what it looks like. Okay, I have everything plugged in. Again, there's a little power switch right here in the back, so I'm going to turn that on, and you can see here it's 3.0. Okay, so the dial will take this up to 12 volts. That is the maximum, and then you can back it down from there. So for the LS switcher, doesn't really say which. I don't see any indications. You can press it in and you can press it out. Now it says L and S. There's no indicators showing which one it is going to, but I guess it's going to be based on, it's only plugged into one. So I'm going to press it in for L for liner, and let's see. I'm going to press the pedal. Oh, yeah, it's vibrating. Let's see if I take it out. And it's not working. So it's either going to work on one or the other, so you just have to hit the button till it works. But then I'm going to press the button, and it's vibrating. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it, but it's moving in there. So now I'm not putting a needle in. The needle cartridges just go in and twist. I'm not going to open it up again for sanitary reasons. I'm not going to ruin that just for demonstrations. You'll be able to figure that out. So as you see, it's a very simple operation, and again, it is nice and easy to hold. So there you have it, a detailed look at what comes in this package. It looks like a really good package, especially for beginners and starters. If you are looking to get into tattooing and want a good place to start, this might be the right one for you.